Bowling coach couldn't afford a marketing agency, so I built my own AI tool instead. I was spending hours every week writing emails, creating social posts, editing videos. As a solo business owner, I didn't have time for all that manual work. But agencies wanted thousands per month, which I couldn't justify. So I built EMAX Studio. Here's what it does. You input one topic, and it generates your complete marketing campaign. HTML emails ready for MailChimp. Social media posts with AI-generated images that look photorealistic. Video reels with AI voice in 240 different voices across 12 languages. Word-by-word auto captions, even cinematic video effects. All in your brand style. No design skills needed. No video editing experience. No copywriting background required. The whole process takes under 5 minutes from idea to complete campaign. I built this solo, bootstrapped it myself, no VC funding. Because I needed something that actually worked for small business owners like me. It's built for coaches, freelancers, solo marketers, faceless YouTube creators, small agencies. Anyone who needs professional marketing content but doesn't have a team or the budget for manual creation. The tool includes an AI topic brainstormer when you're stuck for ideas. Smart copywriting frameworks handle the writing. Multi-brand support if you manage multiple businesses. I launched with a free plan so you can test it without risk. 5 credits per month, no credit card needed. If it works for you, starter plan is $29 monthly with 50 credits. You can try it right now at emax.studio. Stop spending your weekends on marketing tasks and get back to running your business.